Having a good chair and a desk is very important in work from home. My DIY old table but functional, made by scrap woods. Hi, I'm Gab Bueno. In this video, I'm planning to build a new big desk. But before I build and upload it, I show you how this table is very functional in my everyday work. It's quite narrow and small for me. While I'm preparing for my new one, I will tour you to my old table. I can work and I can study here. Table is the foundation of our workplace. Let's have a look here. First, this power strip is very useful. I can remove and I can plug it again. All my wires are hidden underneath my desk. Cable management is very important in the table. It looks good. You can use these two connectors for charging. Behind my laptop, I have ring light here. I can adjust it whatever I want. It's either higher or lower. Moving on, in my two cute drawers, I hide all my things here. I built a permanent holder for my headset. This is my DIY shelves / small table. I can put my small plants here, my notebook, my cell phone, and also my coffee. I love coffee. I have a box here that hides my calendar, my mouse, my PowerPoint remote control. I install USB hub that I can remove and install it again. My laptop Dell i5 and other things that I can use in my desk. My gray pod for my keyboard and for my mouse. Having a small keyboard in a small desk is very good. Wireless mouse is cool and it's okay. And that's it. This is my old DIY table for my everyday work and study. This is old, small, but useful. Hope you enjoy watching this video and get an idea about office table, like me working at home. Let me know if you have a question. Comment down below in this video. I will try to answer as soon as I can. Stay tuned for more videos in this channel. Thank you for all the viewers, likers, and subscribers. See you on the next upload.